Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be giving you easy to follow steps on how to make your Windows 11 laptop faster. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is turn on storage sense and delete temporary files. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. This takes you to the settings page. Now down here, click storage. Now scroll down. Now over here on storage sense, ensure it is turned on by toggling the switch here. Now scroll up and click temporary files. Now what you want to do is tick these check boxes here. If you have important files in your downloads folder, you can just leave it unchecked, but tick everything else. Once you've selected everything, click remove files, then click continue. After cleaning up the temporary files, the next thing you're going to do is optimize your drive. Click the Windows icon, then type defragment and optimize drives and hit enter to open it up. Now with your C drive selected, click optimize. This helps your drive write faster and also helps it last longer. Once that's done, the next thing we're going to do is disable startup applications. This frees up system resources. So on your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. This takes you to the settings page. Now click apps. Down here, click startup. Now on this page, look for any applications that have high impact on startup and disable them by toggling these switches. If you have an antivirus like I do, you can just leave it on. The next thing you can do to make your laptop faster is disable unnecessary Windows visual effects. Click the Windows icon, then type this in. Hit enter to open it up. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. On this page, select Adjust for best performance. This disables all visual effects. Now we don't want Windows to look completely ugly, so you can leave this selected and this as well. Click Apply, then click OK. The next thing you should do is uninstall unused applications. This frees up your hard drive. Once more on your keyboard, press the Windows key and I to get to the settings page. Now click Apps and Features. Now scroll through this list of applications and look for any apps you do not use frequently. When you found an app to uninstall, click the three dots at the right, then click Uninstall. Repeat this process for as many apps as you find. If you are unsure of what a particular application does, I recommend looking it up online in order to avoid deleting anything critical. Now we're going to disable unnecessary services. This helps free up RAM. Click the Windows icon, then type Services. Hit enter to open this up. Now you're going to go through this list of services and disable any ones you do not need. I'll leave a list in the description below of services you can safely disable as well as what they do, so you can pick which ones you want to disable. To disable a service, right click it and select Properties. Now over here on Startup Type, set it to Disabled, hit Apply, then hit OK. The final thing to do is scan for viruses. Malware hidden on your system can take up a lot of RAM and CPU power, slowing down your PC significantly. A video on how to do this should show up at the top right corner of the screen right about now. And that's how to make your Windows 11 laptop faster. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.